Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can redeem Maui Jim's gift card. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, just search for redeem Maui Jim gift card online like this. Once you search for it, the first option, redeem gift card Maui Jim, click on it. It's going to bring you to the official website of Maui Jim. Alright, now once you're in its official website, what you want to do is scroll a bit down over here where it says VIP or gift card number. Just enter your gift card number over here. Where it says pin, enter the pin of your gift card. After you enter the pin, what you want to do is click on redeem. Once you click on redeem, if the gift card number and the pin you entered over here is correct, it should be redeemed. But if you don't want to redeem and just want to check the balance, just click check balance instead of redeem, and it's going to show you how much amount is remaining on your gift card. But for redeeming, click on redeem. Alright, so yeah, that's how you guys can redeem your Maui Jim's gift card. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. See you guys next time.